Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I've been away for a while. I've moved and have a new studio. So today I'm going to do a Dutch pour. It's pretty basic. I'll put all the color descriptions and things in the description, but I'm going to do a black and white background. So we're going to have like a cool contrast going on. So here we go. Let's paint. Okay, I'm going to start out with some red. But like I said, I'll put the description, the colors in the description. So I'm just going to paint and yellow watch. Okay? See how this goes. Of course y'all can't see it too well, can you? Let me try turning off this light. Well, I'll try to fix the lighting and everything in future videos. So, pop the air bubbles here, and let's see how this turns out. Let me see, I'm going to hit this right here again. There we go. Very good. Very interesting. Some nice colors there. Blending in very good. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow, and I'll be making more videos. I'm in my studio here now, and ready to go at it again. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.